Welcome to my channel. I will teach you the same strategy I used made $10,000 from 2 trades that I took. This strategy I'm going to teach you is what I used to trade, and I will show you the proof for you to know that this particular strategy is what I used to trade, and it's a very simple strategy. Watch this video from the beginning to the end, because at the end I will show you the setup I have already on gold. That is the same setup on gold already, and that's the what I'll be trading on Monday morning. So watch till the end for you to see the setup. But my advice for you is this: don't pay attention to signals. It's better you learn how to do it by yourself. It will benefit you than waiting for someone to set signal for you to trade. Because these 2 trades I took, I sent only one of these trades to my Telegram channel, and one of them I didn't send it. So whoever that is sending signal to any group you are might not send all their trades. That some they might take without sending it to the signal group. So it will pay you off if you know how to trade by yourself, analyze the market by yourself. So we are going to start from 4 hours time frame, which we identify the trend from the 4 hours time frame, and we go down to 15 minutes time frame to take the trade. So if you want me to teach you how to trade, if you want me to mentor you, the link to my website is on the description. Go to my website and sign up my mentorship program. I will teach you what it takes to be a successful Forex trader. And if you want to join my Telegram channel, the link is below as well. Join my Telegram channel. Let's go together. I post my trades on my Telegram channel. So let's go to it. So this is the first trade I took. And okay, this is my Telegram channel. You can start with that. Post this trade. This is the one I posted. I'm buying gold now. You can see it has not done anything. And this is the final. I made $5,000 out of this trade. This one it was in profit, and this one I added to close. You can see that it was $5,130. That's what I made out of the trade. So you can see that it hit our TP here. So this is the reason why I took this trade. Then let's go to 4 hours time frame. This is 4 hours time frame. So you can see that gold did change of character here. I always pay attention to change of character. Some people call this shift in structure. I call it change of character. So I always pay attention to change of character. So let's start from this particular place for you to see that markets have been trending up. If you see from here, you can see that it has trending upward here, but I don't want to start from here because I don't want it to be that long. But from this spot, you can see that gold did, this is a higher high, and this is the lower high here. Gold failed to take out this side and started dropping, and at this point you can see that it did change of character here. It broke this low. This particular candle broke this low. Some people call it change of, as in change in structure or shift in structure, and me I call it change of character. So it did change of character for that trend here, but I didn't take this any trade here because it's in 4 hours time frame. Unless if I go to 15 minutes time frame, I'll show you guys when I took the trade. But you can see it did change of character here. And what happened again? It took out, this is the lower low, and this is the higher low here, and it still come down and take out this particular low. This can took out this low. And what happened? It didn't continue dropping, and market started moving upward, which you can see that this particular shadow came down to took out this low. And some people that trade liquidity, this is liquidity take. There's just take out liquidity here. It's not that they want to drop this, but they know that people that bought gold from here, that stop loss are somewhere here. That's why they spike this candle down to take out people's stop loss here before they will put the market upside. So from here, you can see that the market started moving up and take out this high, this particular high here. This particular candle took it out. So it had done another shift of structure for uptrend, change of character for up. So from this moment, what I'll be looking for is buy. because market have done change of character in 4 hours time frame, shift in structure. So now what am I looking at for here? Immediate market did the change of character. I will go down to 15 minutes time frame to look for my entry for buy because I'm not selling. So then let's go to 15 minutes time frame. Then this is the 15 minutes time frame. You can say this is where I took the trade. So on this 15 minutes time frame, what I also look at for is the same thing, shift in structure or change of character for me to take a trade. I want to start from here on this 15 minutes time frame to walk you guys down to where I took this trade. So this is the higher high on 15 minutes time frame, and this is the lower high. You can see that this particular candle, took out this low. It took it out here with a shadow, but it rejected. But this particular one closed the body, and this is the higher high, lower low, lower high, and this is the higher low. You can see this is the lower low, and this is another higher low. You can see the way this particular 15 minute time frame is going downward. They didn't do any change of character or any shift in structure. They keep going downward, and this particular can took out this low here, and this is another high low, and you can see the lower low here, and this is the lower high. This is lower high. What happened again? Then it took out this low to give us another new low here. The market didn't continue taking out the lows, then started moving up and take out this high. The market did change of character on this particular candle is one that took it out. Market did change of character here on 15 minutes time frame, which my entering is at this level that market did change of character, but I didn't wait for it to come back to it. When it took out this particular shadow and it come back, I entered the trade here, and my stop was somewhere here, and I targeted 1 to 2. So that's what you saw here. That's something you saw here, and I made 5,000 plus out of this trade. I made 5,000 plus out of this trade, and the second trade I took was here, because if you look the 4 hours time frame here, we are still in uptrend. Market didn't do any change of character. So the another trade I took here on 15 minutes time frame was on this. You can see that after I took this trade, and market started dropping from here, and what happened? It did another change of character on this. This is the high, and this is the lower low. This is the lower low, and market take out the low to form another low. Take out, this is the high, and this is the, when it took it out, this is another low. It formed on 15 minutes time frame, and this is the high. Then took out this low here. When it took out this low, what happened again? It didn't continue taking out the low. Then it went up and did another change of character at this zone, which the change of character happened here, and I took another buy. It hit my 1 to 2 here. This second trade, I also made $5,000 out of this trade, which complete $10,000 I made from these two trades. And this is other trade I took as well. I didn't post. You can see the same thing keep repeating itself. This is another high, and this is the low. You can see I keep doing lower lows, lower lows. It didn't take out any higher highs. I don't want to keep marking, but it will take so much time. Then when it gets to, this is the current place we are now. When this market started dropping, look at this level. When it took out this side and started dropping, it did change of character here. This is the level. Okay, let me clean up this for you to be able, so you can be neat. Uh, you can see that this is the level that it did change of character again of on 4 hours time frame. You can see that I be doing lower low, higher high, higher high, lower low, and higher high. Then came back to took out the lower low, which it did change of character here, and it was at this spot. It was at this spot, this particular candle. Then on 15 minutes time frame, all you have to do is to start looking for a downtrend. So this is the high, and this is the low. And what again? This is another low here, and this is another high here. It took it out, Z with the shadow, it took it out with shadow. And what happened? This particular candle took out this high. On this 15 minutes time frame, it did change of character for buy here, but we are not buying because we are selling. We are looking for sell. So what happened again? Market drop and took out this low. Drop and took out this low, which did another change of character for downtrend here. But it didn't come back to retest it. Then I didn't took any trade here. But there's a setup for me here right now. I'm looking at for this coming week. We already confirmed sell here. But on Monday morning, I'll enter the trade. So look at what happened here. From this zone, you can see that it keep dropping the higher high and low, and another high. And this is another low here. And there is another one here. Sorry guys, I didn't spot this one. And another one here. So what happened? Market did another change of character for buy here. And I'm not buying it because gold is in downtrend in 4 hours. So what happened here? Gold took out this high, particular high, took out this high. So let me see market out. So you can see that this is the higher high, and this particular level is the lower high. And this particular candle took out this low and came back to retest it. So another entry for sell is here. Shorting it from here. And your stop loss will be here. Or if you wish, you target it. But if you target this high, the stop loss is going to be more bigger. And market have to drop well before it can maybe give you 1 to 2. But if you use this particular high, you can see your stop loss is more lower, and already when market get back to this zone and mark out here, it's already giving you 1 to 3. But if you use this particular high, then when it gets to give you 1 to 1 plus, see their differences. But using a tight stop loss has its own disadvantage, but market can easily go here and take it out and continue dropping, and they might not take out this high. That's different disadvantages that we have in using tight stop loss and bigger stop loss. So whatever you like, you can choose. But on this trade, my stop loss is going to be here, and I'm targeting this zone, which is 1 to 3 plus. So this is it, guys. This is how I trade. You can trade this way as well if you wish. This particular trade, let me show you guys. I enter one position already, like two position already on this particular trade. The meta trader 4 is coming out. You can see that this is good. You can see this good. Then you can see that there is two position already here, and this is my stop, and this is my entry. So I've already taken two positions here, but I will still enter more on Monday morning. So let's see how this is going to play out. So show you guys, this is what I use. So already you can see that I'm already in a trade for sale here. So guys, subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thanks and God bless.